Hi guys, my name is Shah and now about a new video in which you will save up for shards. Let's begin without any further delay. So, in this video, we will discuss worksheet 45 and we will solve the question side by side. So, it is for class 6 to 8 and we have to do it 26th August 2020. There you have to write your name. There you have to write your name of your class teacher. It is worksheet 45 of DOE, GM City of Delhi. So, let's begin with this video. So, Pranav is a sensible boy. He followed a systematic routine during lockdown period. अब प्रणव एक समझदार लड़का है, ठीक है, और वो क्या कहता था, अपना सिस्टमेटिक रूटीन फॉलो करता था लॉकडाउन के दौरान. हिज फादर इज़ अ टेलर एंड मदर इज़ अ होम मेकर. अब उसके पापा जो है टेलर है जो कि कपड़े सिलते हैं और उसकी मम्मी एक होम मेकर है. हाँ, वो घर का काम संभालती है. Along with his routine activities, he helps his parents in their work. अब वो अपनी रूटीन एक्टिविटीज़ तो करता ही है और साथ ही साथ अपने माता पिता का हाथ भी बटा देता है थोड़ा सा उनके काम में. हाँ, तो इससे हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि हम सबको प्रणव की तरह अपने माता पिता की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. His daily routine is mentioned in the table given below. अब उसका जो डेली रूटीन है वो इस टेबल है. वर्क, स्लीप, टाइम आवर्स 9 hours, helping parents 4, watching TV for 2 hours, playing games 3 hours, studies 4 hours, basic routine 2 hours, total hours 24. So see, there are 24 hours in a day. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. And 22 plus 2 is 24. Let us show his daily activities in terms of fraction. So there is, so you know, see, then there the number of hours is written in a standard form, but in this question we have to write it on the fraction form. Work. How many hours did Pranav spend sleeping in a day? So this is an example question done for you. So he sleeps 9 hours as mentioned here. Fraction 9 by 24. And how? As the total hours are 24 as a day has 24 hours and he sleeps for 9 hours. So 9 by 24 in simplest form. So first of all I would like to tell you what is a fraction. For example, I have a cake, okay, and there are 3 people and there are 3 people more sitting near me and I want to share a cake with them. Means I want to share the cake including me by 4 people. So I have only one cake, so I will divide it in 4 parts, yeah? And then everybody will take a part and the cake will be divided. So this is a fraction, simplest form. So 9 by 24 divided by 3 is equal to 3 by 8. How many hours did Pranav spend studying in a day? तो अब वो पढ़ाई में कितने अपने घंटे बिताता है. तो इसका यहाँ पे है 4. फ्रैक्शन. सो अब कितने घंटे होते हैं एक दिन में? 24. He is studying for 4 hours. Simplest form. So 4 and what is the HCF of 4 and 24? Yeah, you are right, it is 4. So 1 by 6 is our answer of simplest form. How many hours did Pranav spend playing in a day? So 3 hours. 3 hours. Fraction 3 by 24. Simplest form. So we will divide 3 by 24 by 3. 1 by 8. How many hours did Pranav spend watching TV in a day? So the answer is 2. Fraction 2 by 24. Yeah. Simplest form will be 1 by 12. How many hours did Pranav spend helping his parents in a day? So it is 4 hours. So here we will write 4 and the fraction will be 4 by 24 and we will divide it by 4. So 1 by 6. So next move to the other question. Color the given figure using the fraction of Pranav's routine as per the routine chart. As per example given below. तो यहाँ पे अब हमें एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है. अब हमें ना कलर करना है, ठीक है, इस चार्ट को किसके जो इसका रूटीन है ना उसके हिसाब से. The figure depicts 24 hours and one small square depicts 1 hour. तो यहाँ हम देखते हैं, देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 यहाँ पे हमारे ऐसे ऐसे हैं 1 2 3, ठीक है. तो अब अगर हम 6 मल्टीप्लाई 1 इज इक्वल टू 6, 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 12, 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 18, 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 24. तो यहाँ 24 हैं. अब ये जो एक ब्लॉक है वो हमारे 1 घंटे को बताता है, ठीक है. सो this example sleeping hours is equals to 9 red squares. So you can see he sleeps for 9 hours. So, and each depicts 1 hour. So 1 2 let me change my color. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 hours. And you have to write the key also. Yeah, the key is, so we will helping parents. So we will use green color for helping parents. Okay, like this. Yeah, we will write. See. So we will write first helping parents and then we will put green color on it, helping parents. Yeah, so he helps his parents for 4 hours. So there we will write. So we have to color, okay. So it is colored. Let's move further. So watching TV 2 hours. So purple violet, no, purple color is for how many hours he watches TV. Yeah, so he watches TV for 2 hours. So there we will color this box. And next move to the other. Playing games. He play games for 3 hours. So we will choose the color blue. Yeah, here we will write playing games. and 1, 2, 3. You will color these boxes. And now study. He studies for 4 hours and we will use yes, we will use yellow color to indicate this. So he studies for 4 hours and we have colored it. And now basic routine. He is for 2 hours. So we will choose yes, black color for basic routine. So we have colored it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, and see, first these two are for our for basic routine, and I have told you more also like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, so click on like, and if you have a doubt, go to the comment section. Yeah, and comment me below, and please subscribe my channel, as if you will subscribe my channel, so whenever I will upload a video, you will get a notification that I have uploaded a video. Okay, so my YouTube ID is www.youtube.com/beastbuyers. So bye bye.